Hey, magandang buhay. So ako si Sir Ben at narito ako upang ituro sa iyo gaano nga ba kadali ang pag-solve ng radical equation. Ready ka na? Great. So let us have the first one. So we have the square root of x minus 6 is equal to 3. So kapag ganyan yung given na equation natin, ang gawin natin dyan is we square both sides of the equation. So in that case, that will be x minus 6 is equal to 9. Kasi 3 squared, that is 9. So in this case, para na lang tayo nag-solve ng simpleng equation. So we add positive 6 on both sides of the equation. So we will now have x is equal to 15. Di ba? Napakadali. Ngayon, before mo isulat yung final answer, ang gawin mo is i-double check mo siya, i-substitute mo yung 15 dun sa mismong original equation natin. Okay? Baka kasi mamaya maging imaginary siya or does not exist. No? So this will be now the square root of 15 minus 6. So ang gagawin mo niyan dito, itong x na to, palitan ng 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So okay siya. Number 2, example tayo. So we have 3 times the square root of x plus 4 is equal to 15. So ang gagawin niyan natin dito is we divide both sides of the equation by 3. So ang mangyayari ngayon, that will become the square root of x plus 4 is equal to 5. Next, kamukha ng ginawa natin sa unang example, square both sides of the equation. So this will become x plus 4 is equal to 25. Next, para makuha yung value ng x, we add negative 4 on both sides of the equation and we will get x is equal to 21. So again, substitute natin siya dito. So if x is 21, this will be 21 plus 4 which is 25. 3 times the square root of 25 is actually 3 times 5 which is 15. So ibig sabihin, okay yung sagot natin. Sunod tayo. Yan. So kapag ganyan, kumbaga dumami lang yung radical symbol, pero mas madali yan. Bakit? What we're going to do here is we will just simply square both sides of the equation. So mangyayari niyan dito, this will become 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. So again, solving for the value of x, gagawin ko niyan dito, I'm going to add negative x on both sides of the equation para ma-eliminate ko yung x sa right side. So this will become 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. Susunod, syempre gusto ko mawala yung negative 2 dito. So I am going to add positive 2 on both sides of the equation. So bali magiging 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. So x now will be equal to 3. Double check natin ha. 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So ibig sabihin, square root of 7 yung nasa left side. Dito naman, 3 plus 4 is 7. So parehas lang sila. Okay? Down to our last example. So we have the square root of x minus 2 is equal to negative 3 plus the square root of 4x plus 1. So ang gawin nyo lang dito is same. Always kailangan ma-eliminate yung radical symbol dito. So for us to do that one, we square both sides of the equation. Since puro square root naman yung mga given dito, we will just simply square both sides of the equation hanggang sa mawala na yung mga radical symbol. Squaring both sides of the equation, so syempre, yung nasa left side, x minus 2 na lang yan. Yung nasa right side naman, square ang binomial. So in that case, yung square ng first term, that will be 9. Yung square ng second term, syempre, that will be 4x plus 1. Yung middle term, multiply the two terms and then double it. So makukuha natin doon is negative 6 square root of 4x plus 1. Sunod, simplify lang natin sila. So anong nangyari niyan dito? Syempre, yung 9 at saka yung 1. 9 plus 1, that is 10. Kaya doon natin nakuha yung 10. Next, ang gagawin ko niyan dito is ganito. Ang gagawin ko niyan dito is I will subtract negative 10 on both sides of the equation. Gusto ko kasi ang may iwan sa right side ay yung may radical symbol. So, eliminate ko muna to. So, I added negative 10 on both sides of the equation. And then, gusto ko ma-eliminate na rin ito. So, mag-add ako ngayon ng negative 4x on both sides of the equation. Ayan siya. So, kumbaga, saan nanggaling yung negative 3x? That is x minus 4x. Sunod. So, again, para mawala na itong radical symbol na to, I'm going to, again, square both sides of the equation. Pag in-square ko yung both sides of the equation, syempre, dito muna, square nga binomial. Square the first term, that is 9x squared. Square the second term, that is 144. Yung sa middle term naman, multiply the 2 and then double it. Negative 3x times negative 12, that is 36, double it. 36x, double it, that will be 72x. Okay, so ito siya. Dito naman, square mo niya nito, that is 36, square mo yung square root ng 4x plus 1, that is 4x plus 1. Simplify lang natin yung nasa right side, distribute yung 36 dito. Ayan siya. Next, para na lang yan tayo nagsolve ng quadratic equation, no? So again, i-express natin siya into, tawag dito, standard form. So lahat ng terms nasa left side. So gagawin ko niya dito, I'm going to add negative 144x on both sides of the equation para matanggal ito. At saka mag-add rin ako ng negative 36 on both sides of the equation para mawala na rin yung 36 sa right side. Ayun ngayon yung magiging sagot natin. Kasi 72x minus 144x, that is negative 72x. Yung 144 naman minus 36, that is 108. Ito ngayon, pwede natin i-factor out yung 9. Pag pinactor out yung 9, makakancel na yon kasi equal naman to sa 0. So this will now become x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Solving that quadratic equation, so ako, siguro, again, it's up to you kung factoring ka, completing the square, Gaussian law method, or yung quadratic formula. No, it's up to you. So ako, factoring na lang. So yung factored form ng x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0 ay the quantity of x minus 6 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 0. So solving for the value of x by zero product property, yung magiging value ng x na will be 6 and 2. So double check natin, i-apply natin ngayon or i-evaluate natin yung mismong equation natin by 6 and 2. Okay? Unahin na muna natin si 6. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So square root ng 4 is 2. So okay tayo dito. Dito naman, this will become 4 times 6. That is 24 plus 1, 25. So square root ng 25 is 5. So negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Okay tayo sa 6. Sa 2 naman, 2 minus 2 is 0. So okay lang yan ha. Kasi square root of 0 is still a real number. So okay yon. Dito naman, if x is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So still okay yung value ng x natin. Okay? So ganyan lang yung pagsosolve ng radical equation. So kapag may radical, most likely puro mga square root, no? Square both sides of the equation, no? So again, you repeat that process until mawala na yung radical symbol. Kumbaga dito, twice ko siyang ginawa. Okay? So madali lang siya, no? Tawag dito, basta alam mo yung factoring, alam mo yung sum and difference of two terms. Okay? Hindi ka mahihirapan dito. And with that, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig and magandang buhay.